Hi everyone! Welcome to this exciting DIY project. Today we're going to learn how to build this incredible electric arc lighter at home. This compact and powerful gadget is not only super fun to make, but it's also a great introduction to working with electronics. I'll guide you through every step, from gathering the components to assembling the circuit and creating that impressive electric arc. We'll talk about the role of each part, including the copper coil, the circuit boards, and the wiring, so you'll understand how everything works together to create this amazing effect. Whether you're a beginner or someone with experience in DIY electronics, this project is sure to spark your interest. If you enjoy hands-on projects like this and want to see more unique creations, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Your support really helps us keep making awesome content for you. So, let's dive right in and bring this electric arc lighter to life. Stick around until the end for some pro tips to make your project even better. Let's get started.